Top 5 Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager.
Top 5.
4 Deep Kneading Shiatsu massage nodes mimic the kneading and penetrating motions of a real massage therapist's hands. Helps with relaxing and relieve muscle tension in the car, office, and home. If you are looking for a massager comfortable enough to lean on while massaging, this neck massage pillow is a good choice. The straps at the back are easy to use and adjustable, which allows you to secure this massager for most chairs and cars.
Top 4.
Adjustable Neck Massage. The massage chair features 4 unique neck massage nodes that deep tissue massages the neck and shoulder to relieve tired and muscle tightness. Massage nodes can be adjusted up and down to the height that allows any member of the family to use this massager. This massage chair is a perfect Father's Day gift for dad, for man, friend, wife, or husband, and any of your loved ones for a birthday, party, or Christmas gift. Warning: please stop using your device once you feel the Shiatsu too strong for you.
Top 3.
This is a great Shiatsu massager for deep tissue pain relief. The movements of this massager help relax your neck, shoulder, and back. It has 8 massage rollers and bidirectional movement to provide relief for your pain. The heat function helps relax you even further. Money back guarantee. If you are not 100% satisfied with your purchase, we'll refund your money back. No questions, no hassle. We are confident you'll enjoy the Invospa neck and back massager, but if there's ever any issue, we want you to have the peace of mind of knowing we stand behind our product 100%.
Top 2.
Care for your family. Use this Shiatsu massager for 15 minutes each time. Simulated hand kneading massage, 8 bidirectional rotation knots with optional heating mode and 3 adjustable intensities. This equipment customizes massage for your whole body, neck, cervical, shoulder, back, waist, and legs. Skin care material, premium breathable mesh and poo leather, easy to disperse heat and more comfortable. Overheating protection and auto shut-off function offer you a safe massage journey.
Top 1.
Adjustable intensity button providing 3 different speeds, from low, medium, and high depending on your preference. Features 8 deep kneading Shiatsu massage nodes to soothe tired, relieve muscle tightness. 3D rotation kneading massage rollers and ergonomic U design, perfect for office, vehicle, and home. UL approved power adapter and a car adapter are included. Can be used for body massage, neck, shoulder, back, leg, waist massage. Check the description below on where to buy it.